It's sometimes important for both you and your partner to get away from the stresses of everyday life, like work and family duties. Going on a love trip away from home can be relaxing and help you get closer to your partner. The key to a love getaway that lasts is picking the right place to go and planning fun things to do together, which will turn your trip into a trip you will always remember. Section 1. Picking the perfect locations. Number 1. Decide on your spending limit. Make a travel budget to figure out how much your trip will cost. This will help you make smart choices about how to get around. Think about whether it would be easier to go on a road trip within a few hours' drive, or to fly to a different country. If you don't have your own car, you might save more money by renting one for a few days instead of buying round-trip tickets for 2 people. Choosing a car that uses less gas can help you save even more money. Use websites like Kayak, Expedia, or Priceline to compare prices on flights and rental cars in a thorough way and make sure you get the best deals for your trip needs. Look into nearby places. Most importantly, pick a place that you can get to quickly, especially if you're planning a weekend trip. If you choose a place that is easy to get to, you will spend more time enjoying the spot and less time driving to it. Start your search by looking online for interesting places in the area. Use terms like weekend getaways near your location or destinations within 3 hours of me in search engines to find possible choices. Think about what you want from the trip, whether it's a love getaway or a chance to do certain things. For example, if you want a beach vacation but don't live near the coast, look into lakes that have beaches close by. Also, if you like climbing, look for places with beautiful trails that are close to national parks or mountains. This careful method makes sure that you have a satisfying and enjoyable experience that fits your needs. Number 3. Explore exciting destinations. It is possible to enjoy a tropical vacation even if you don't have a lot of money. There are a lot of travel websites that offer cheap packages that include flights, hotels, and sometimes even meals and activities. It is important to read the terms and conditions of these deals carefully, to know what they cover and how flexible they are in case your plans change. Look for romantic vacation deals on sites like Orbitz, Hotwire, and Travelocity. Each of these sites has a variety of choices at different prices. Because of the possibility of price differences between trip sites, it is best to look at a lot of them. Additionally, setting up fare alerts can be helpful, making sure you get emails at the right time when the prices of trips to your desired location go down. Number 4. Explore cruise choices. A cruise is a handy way to get away because it includes transportation, lodging, and meals all in one package. There are many cruise choices around the world, from the beautiful mountains of Alaska to the warm, sunny islands in the Caribbean Sea. The total cost of a cruise can vary, especially if you have to pay for transportation to get to the place where the cruise leaves from. However, it's worth keeping in mind that many cruise lines offer last-minute deals to fill empty cabins. This is a great way to save money, making it a good choice for people who want a trip that won't break the bank but will still be fun. 5. Reserve a place to stay. Look into places to stay, like hotels or bed and breakfasts, that are close to where you want to go. Call them to see if they have any special rooms available for your stay. These rooms are often called honeymoon suites. If you don't have a car, make sure that the place you choose to stay has easy access to public transportation or free bus services that can help you see the sights. You might find other places to stay on sites like Airbnb or VRBO, vacation rental by owner, where you can rent out whole homes or houses for the same price or less than a hotel room. Hosts on these sites can often give you great advice on the best places to shop and eat in the area. Early booking is the best way to get the best deals and rooms for a weekend getaway, especially around holidays that a lot of people will be traveling during. Section 2. Organize things to do. Number 1. Explore cozy dining spots. Using websites like TripAdvisor or Yelp can help you find beautiful places near your hotel. Try to find places with beautiful views of water or mountains, or look into pubs with smoke rooms or private booths for a more private experience. Also, think about choosing a meal that involves sharing plates, like tapas or fondue. This will create a communal eating experience that makes it easier to connect and strengthen your bond. These online tools can be very helpful in planning your romantic getaway. They can help you find secret gems and make memories that will last a lifetime. Number 2. Bring a picnic basket. You can check out the local food scene by buying native treats at nearby markets or corner stores, or you can order takeout from well-known places and save time. Set the mood for a great family meal by putting out a blanket or towel in a park or on the beach. This will make it easier for everyone to enjoy the different flavors of the area. This casual eating experience not only lets you enjoy the real taste of local food, but it also gives you and your loved ones a chance to spend time together and have fun. 3. Book a relaxing spa day. Schedule a massage or haircut for the two of you as a treat, which will be fun for both of you if you both like to treat yourself. Take the chance to rest and enjoy a peaceful and energizing getaway with your loved ones. If the place you're staying doesn't have a spa, like a hotel or an Airbnb, ask the front desk or your host for suggestions on nearby spas that sound like a great place to relax. You can then continue your trip of relaxation and make the most of your time away. Therefore, try different wines. You can use the internet to find wineries near your destination that offer interesting trips and wine tastings. In the event that there are several wineries nearby, you might want to contact tour companies that can set up organized tours that let you see the best of them. If you want to save money, choose to visit smaller, more charming farms and only pay the taste fee at the winery instead of buying bottles. This method is a cheap way to enjoy the different tastes and learn about how wine is made without going over your budget. Number 5. Plan a fun adventure day. Check out what mountain climbing, hot air balloon rides, scuba diving, white water rafting, and horseback riding you can do in the place you want to visit. You should pick an exercise that makes both of you happy, even if it's a little scary or hard. Not only do these kinds of activities help you make memories that will last a lifetime, but they also give you a chance to get closer as you go on these trips together. Enjoy the thrill and use these activities as a chance to learn more about each other. This will help you bond better and make your time together more fun. Number 6. Join a guided group tour. You and your partner don't have to spend all of your time together on your romantic trip. Enjoy some alone time if you want to. Taking a group trip is a fun way to change up your days and give yourself a break from being together all the time. In addition, it gives you the chance to meet new people and try new things, making your trip more interesting and social. This way of doing things not only lets you explore on your own, but it also adds an extra layer of fun as you all take in the lively atmosphere of the destination. Section 3. Preparing for a romantic time. Now and decide on the trip together. When planning the trip, think about what your partner wants and needs. Planning the trip together makes sure that both people can enjoy the adventure and add to the pleasure of the experience. Together, planning a trip not only creates a sense of excitement, but it also keeps you from planning a trip that might not be as interesting to your partner as it is to you. Including your partner in the planning process makes the trip more inclusive and personalized, which is good for both of you and makes the trip more enjoyable and satisfying. Number 2. Bring along romantic essentials. Wear clothes that make you feel attractive and boost your confidence, like lingerie, stylish sundresses, or clothes that take your normal style to a new level. If your destination has a pool or beach, you could add an extra touch of luxury to the trip by giving your partner a special swimsuit as a surprise. Make sure you're ready for your destination by packing things like bug spray and sunscreen to protect yourself from getting sunburned or bitten by bugs. Bringing massage oil will make the atmosphere more romantic and give you and your partner a private way to connect. If you are going, make sure you follow the TSA's rules about liquids, which include massage oils, so your trip goes smoothly. Number 3. Spend peaceful moments together. Don't pack too many events into your schedule. Instead, leave plenty of time to relax and recharge. The main goal of the trip is to have fun with each other and make memories that matter. It can be just as memorable and special to enjoy quiet time at the hotel or bed and breakfast as it is to visit nearby sites. Find a balance between excitement and calmness, remembering that the most important part of the trip is the time you spend together. Whether you're on an exciting adventure or in the comfort of your hotel, or take a break from screens. Give your phone, texts, and emails a break for a while. It's great to take pictures of special times, but you might want to wait to share them on social media until you get back home. The point of this trip is to get away from the stresses of everyday life together. So make the most of this chance to disconnect and spend time alone with each other. Take advantage of the chance to unplug so that you can fully experience the moment without being distracted by connecting to the internet.